I have an update here I want to do real quick. I have been, this is my knitting bag with my kitties. I've been knitting socks for a summer striped sock thing through Knit All the Yarn, or 72 stitches. And here's my stuff. The cuffs were done with a 2.5 millimeter, which is a US 1. And then the body is done with 2.50, which is a 1.5 millimeter. So there's the first one. I'm up to where I need to do the heel flap. And then this one, I'm working on it, and I'm not quite as far. I tried to match my stripes as best I could. I think I got darn close. But the UPS guy brought me my new 9-inch needles. I'm so excited. These are the 2.25 millimeters, or US 1. That is the body of the sock. Here, that I won't use now, is the 2.25, which is what I do the cuffs with, because my calf, as it goes up from my ankle, I don't have cankles, but as it goes up, my calf gets a little wider, and I have a hard time with the hard time with the socks fitting. Hub had to ask a gardening question. All right, so these are the, see, they don't, I hate when they put the stickers over the information. So these are the these are ones, and these are, no, it's so hard to tell the difference. These are the ones I'm doing the sock body with. So real quick, although that term's relative for me, I did watch a sock video today where they were talking about using the 9-inch circulars to do socks with, that once you do the cuff and the body of the socks, you have to revert to something else to do your heel flap, because I use a heel flap and a gusset. And then once you get that past all that condensing part, you can do the foot with these, but the toe you're going to need 2 or 3 DPNs. So, you know, you're going back and forth, but I think that to do the round portion will be a whole lot easier. So I'm going to take these off. Please let it go well. Please let it go well. Okay. Phooey. All right, so there's the beginning of the round. Let me take these off here. So it's just, oh, they just feel so tiny in your hand, like a toy. So all I have to do is just go in the stitches and put them all on here, and I'll show you what it looks like. I don't want to make you watch me do every stitch because there's like 72 stitches. Okay, that didn't take too long. So here are my Knit Picks 6-inch DPNs. I love these things. I have hundreds of them because, you know, you can have more than one project going on at the same time. I try to do socks in tandem, so you need 4 for this one and 5 for this one. And the 5th one is the working needle, so you just have 4 that stay in the sock, and then this needle goes back and forth between the 2, because you don't really need to say 5 for each sock. You really need 9 needles. You do 4, 4, and then the 5th, and then the 9th one is the working needle for both socks whenever you work on one. So I can go put these away. Yay! All right, here it is. Let's see how it goes. I might make a suggestion. When I was putting this on here, I was like, oh, I hope I don't drop a stitch. I think a very important thing about doing it this way is you're going to need a very small little crochet hook to pick up anything you drop, because you can do it sometimes with a straight needle, but this is going to be a little more difficult. If something drops way down, you're going to need a crochet hook to get it back where it goes. And that's whether you use straights or circulars. Oh my gosh, I really like this. I don't know if I will be any faster doing it this way, but I just thought it would be kind of fun to find out what all the big to-do is. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to like this. I can do this in the round, which will be a whole lot easier doing 4. Oh, I'm so excited. I think this will be the trick. I think these circulars will do it. And it's not that I won't use these. I will use these. That they're not going to go out of style for me. But I just wanted to see what it would be like to try to use them. Ah, I'm so excited. This is not hard at all. You mark your beginning row with a stitch marker or something to denote where the first stitches were. So it's my little orange, I think this is a Swarovski crystal that I got many years ago. And then all these are bulb pins, and I use them. Now this is just holding a place for now for all the other bulb pins I'm going to need. So when you finish the cuff, I count 10 up, and every 10 one of these goes, because I know that I do between 60 and 70 rounds for the leg, and I think I do 65 for my foot, or maybe it's 65 and 70. I can't remember. I have to look it up on Ravelry from all the other socks I've knit. But either way, every 10 we get a bulb, so that I don't have to go back and start counting from the very beginning. Somebody showed this on a video years ago, and I was like, that's great. So I don't have to keep starting all over. I know that's 10, 20, and I'm working up towards, I probably could do a third bulb pin up here somewhere. But it's easy, and then I just go ahead and load up a bulb pin with 7 pins for the leg, in case I do 70 or more. Sometimes men's socks, it's way more than 70. So I just put them on here so I have them. I don't have to go dig through anything. All right, that's all I got. I just was so excited about getting my new circulars for sock knitting. I'll see you guys later. Bye.